Hi guys, so this is the making of our unique magic oil. You see how wonderful and yummy it's looking. This is a really lovely oil. Trust me guys, this oil is wonderful. Magic it is. So guys, place your orders. Okay, packed with a whole lot of nutrients for the skin. Good oils that will penetrate your skin faster and give you that glowing, smooth and whitening you want. This is the kind of oil that you don't want to miss. Trust me, this oil is the bomb. So we are adding one of our lovely extracts. Into the making of our oil. Hi guys, okay, quick one. This is the making of our unique magic lotion. Yeah, already I have some extracts in it that already added, and I'm still gonna add more, and this is some of the extracts being added now, as you can see. Okay, so guys, place your orders fast. I'm waiting. This is real skin food, 100% real skin food. Antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, essential for the skin. Place your orders guys. Alright, we're adding our extract. This is a lovely lotion. We're adding more extracts to the one we already added. Place your orders guys, place your orders. I'm waiting. Real skin food. Yeah, lovely skin food. Alright guys, hi everybody. See, this is how we make our black soap. This is the making of our black soap. We all use natural ingredients. This is no serum, because some people will be thinking this is serum. I don't use serum for my soap. I do not use serum. All I add to my soap is pure natural ingredients, oil, natural powders, mixtures that I make from scratch by myself. I do not add serum to my soap. That's why I get good clients with the soap, because they tend to love the soap. It's all natural ingredients. The black soap, I make the black soap from scratch. The other acne soap, you see, I make them by myself. The mixtures, I make them from scratch and I add. I know all ingredients that I put in the soap. I don't use serums for my soap. I don't. Because of stretch marks and every other stuff, I don't use serums. That's why the soap is a bomb. Trust me, guys, this soap, this is one and all. This is milk. I don't use serums for myself, because a lot of people will be thinking this is serum. Guys, Unique Skin do not use serum in making our whitening soap. We don't. Hey guys, this is the making of our wonderful Unique whitening super whitening black soap. As you can see, these are all fruits. These are all fruit powders. Wonderful soap. This soap, it's so wonderful that it clears, acne, everything on your skin, and it gives you a super whitening skin and a good glowing skin. For dark patches, trust me, this is the right soap. In here we have a lot of fruits powders that has antioxidants, natural nutrients, that will give your skin, good nutrients that will nourish your skin. As you can see, this is a wonderful super whitening soap. All right, guys. After this, I'm gonna let this simmer down. Okay, then we'll be adding whitening powders, super whitening, natural whitening powders. Okay guys, you see, this is all the whitening powders. This is a super whitening soap. Some are already dissolved. These ones are gonna dissolve by itself naturally in the soap. But there are some that I need to dissolve, with some solvent so that it can be fully dissolved. Okay guys, hi beautiful people, this is Licorice Pomegranate Body Whitening Scrub. This scrub is so packed with nutrients, vitamins and antioxidants. You have Snow White, it's for whitening the skin. You have Licorice, you have vitamin C in this, you have vitamin B3 in this, you have collagen is very lovely to the skin. You so much have a lot packed in this body scrub. You also have mulberry extract is also incorporated in this scrub. This is a lovely scrub. It is so moisturizing and so yummy, and that's how it's gonna be on the skin. Very moisturizing. So this is a Licorice Pomegranate body scrub. So yummy and lovely. Okay guys, make sure you just holla on me and get yours. Okay, love you guys, bye.